Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make this beautiful stitch. You can use it for your blankets or maybe baby garments or cardigans, jumpers, and I think I could use this one for a bag. It will look beautiful with cotton yarn, I think, and it's reversible. And it's so easy. If you know how to make single crochet and chain, you can make this. And we will work with 2 yarn, but you will not cut the yarn, and there's not there will be there won't be so much tails. As you can see, I just carry the yarn with me, and when I completed, I made a row with single crochet, and it seems perfect. So you don't have to hide all these yarns. I will use these 2 yarns together again. It's not written, but I think it's size 2 yarn, and it's a soft baby yarn. It's acrylic and polyamide. Recommends 3mm hooks. I will use 3.5, and it's so nice, a soft yarn. You can use any yarn you want. With 2 different colors, it will look better, of course. If you want, you can use a multicolor yarn for here, and for here lighter yarn will be better. Okay, if you are ready, we can directly start. I changed my mind. I will use a multicolor yarn. As you can see, it's 100 gram, 297 meters and 290 meters, and that means they are almost same sizes yarn, and that's acrylic too. Start with color A, lighter yarn. You can use any even numbers. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I think 26 is enough right now. Just turn, skip this first chain, starting from the second, make single crochets. Put 1 single crochet into every stitch. I will finish and turn back to you. I made my 25 single crochets. Chain 1, turn. Insert into this first stitch, and start from here, make single crochets for 1 more row. Just put 1 single crochet for every stitch you have. I made 24 single crochets, and I will make the last one. Insert here, grab the yarn, and don't complete it, okay? We will complete it with the other color. Just sit, Sit. Okay. Now sit. Just a second. Okay. Sit here. Just a second, I'll turn back to you. Okay, he's calm now. Grab the other yarn here and complete the single crochet. If you want, you can make a knot here. Chain 1, turn. Starting from the first stitch, make single crochets. We can hide this tail like that. Okay. Make single crochets for 2 rows with this color. Okay, when you complete this one, turn back and make 1 more row, and when you reach this side again, we will change the color. I'll see you here. I complete 2 rows with this multicolor yarn. That's my last stitch. Insert here, grab the yarn and complete the row with the other color. Chain 1, turn and make a single crochet into the first stitch. Now we will make single crochets again, but this single crochets will be a long single crochets. I can show you like that. We will insert 1, 2, 3 rows below into the first row we made. Let me show you. Just skip this one, this one, this one, and insert here. Okay, here. You see, that's the first single crochet. We will skip this one. Insert here. Grab the yarn. Pull it. Make a long single crochet. And then skip the single crochet here. Skip this one because we made one here. Skip it into the next one. Make a single. Now from here we will skip 2. That's the first one and second one. We will insert between the second and third stitch. It went here. Okay. Insert here. Make a long single crochet and skip this single crochet behind. Make a single into the next stitch. Skip 1, 2 and insert here. Sorry. I almost will make a half double crochet. Skip it. Make a single. Skip 2, 1, 2. Skip 1 and make a single. Okay. Skip 2 1, 2, skip the single crochet behind this one and make a single. And I will keep repeating this. I have 2 stitches left and skip 2. Make a single crochet. If you look closely, you can see there's only 1 stitch left here and only 1 here. Make a single crochet. Chain 1, turn. And put 1 single crochet into every stitch you have. You see, that's our long single crochet stitch, and that's the regular one. At the end, I will not complete my last single crochet, and I will grab the other yarn and complete with it, but I have so much purple here and I want to show you the color change, so I will cut this yarn. Cut this piece and keep working from here. If you are making a long blanket or something like that, you don't need to make something like I do here. But I'm working with a so little piece, so I will make single crochets with this color B for 2 rows. Again, complete this row, then make 1 more row. See you at the end. For this last stitch, I will insert, grab the yarn, and now I will change the color. Chain 1, turn. Now I will make the same thing I did here. Make a single crochet, and I will skip this 1, 2, 3 rows. Insert between these 2 legs. Insert here. Okay. Grab the yarn, pull it, make a single crochet. Skip this single crochet and make a single. Insert here. It's so easy right now. You know where to insert your hook. And make a single crochet. Again, insert here. Skip 1 and make a single crochet. Just try not to turn these yarns, because it could happen easily. I want to show you. Look, sometimes your loop could look like that. If it's like that, just fix it and complete your single crochets like that. Don't leave it like that, because you cannot fix it later. Time to time you can look this back side too. It's all look good. And that's all. We will just repeat this 4 rows. When I complete this row, I will make a single crochet row with the same yarn. Then I will make the single crochet row with the other color, 2 rows, of course, and repeat this again and again. I will just make this one a little bigger and show you the results. I made a few rows and I really like this one very much too. And I will cut the yarn and hide the tail. If you want, you can make single crochet as I made here. When I complete here, I will turn back and make one more row with single crochet, then turn here, put 2 single crochet into this corner stitch, or you can put 3 and turn back, turn here and put 1 single crochet for each row. Okay, we have 2 rows, 2 rows, 2 rows. Or if you want, you can use a little bigger hook and put 1 single crochet for 1 color, like that. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 single crochets and maybe 1 more here, and turn around like that. And I will show you how to hide these tails too. And that's all. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please don't forget the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Since Crochet is my Instagram address, you can reach me there. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.